Hello class 12. I have already started your first chapter relations on online mode. Now I will discuss the whole thing shortly with examples.
If A and B are two non-empty sets, then a relation R from the set A to the set B is defined as a subset of A cross B. That is, R is a relation from the set A to the set B. This implies R subset of A cross B. That is, xy belongs to R imply xy belongs to A cross B. And I can also say that x related to y. If, that is this, if xy not belongs to R, then we can say x not related to y. Example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to AB, then A cross B equal to 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Okay? If R equal to 1A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Then R is a subset of A cross B. Since 1A belongs to R, I write 1 related to A but 1B not belongs to R, so we can write 1 not related to B. Okay. Here I discuss now the domain and range. Okay. If R be a relation from a set A to set B, then the domain of the relation R is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair. Ordered pairs which belongs to R. Therefore, domain R equal to X such that XY belongs to R. Okay. Then range of the relation is the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs. That is range R equal to Y such that XY belongs to R. XY belongs to R. Okay. For example, I can write let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5. R is a relation from A to B defined by XY belongs to R and X plus Y equal to X plus Y greater than equal to 5. Okay. So R equal to I get from A cross B. A cross B equal to 1, 4, 1, 5. 2, 4, 2, 5. 3, 4, 3, 5. R equal to 4 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. Since X plus Y belongs to R and X plus Y greater than equal to 5. X plus Y greater than equal to 5. 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. All elements of A cross B. All elements of A cross B. Here A cross B equal to M. So I can write domain R equal to 1, 2, 3 and domain 1, 2, 3 and range R equal to 4, 4, 5. 4, 5. Because I know domain D equal to domain equal to X such that XY belongs to R and range R equal to Y such that XY belongs to R. Okay, I am ending here.